text in your video looking like a then let's add some wow in KineMaster. Here's how in under 60 seconds. Tap layers. There you can see the icon of text. Type the text you want. Now hit the A icon to explore font. Pick your vibe, pick the type of font you want. Then if you want more font, you're not satisfied with the font, then you can always hit get fonts online and download extras. Customize it with colors, shadows, outlines, and many more effects. You are the font boss now, and boom, boring text? Never heard of it. Like and subscribe for more KineMaster Gold.